Hello everyone. So this is my first software I built in my life using Python. First time in my life. Okay. So this program it allow me to post on my three website. Okay, I got three website. Actually, I got four website. One is in French, one is in English. So this program will allow me to post on the three website with different content. So I got this website for French and this is for English. Okay, so I'm busy editing it. I'm gonna add the picture. I'm gonna add a picture for the English. Another picture. This is the Yoast. So whatever I add here is gonna go straight on my Yoast website. Okay. So here I'm gonna put my username and password. So when I done, I'm gonna click create a blog post. So I'm gonna show you now what we got. Busy posting. As you can see, it's still busy uploading the pictures, everything. The thing is done. As you can see here, it gave me an ID telling me that it have been posted. Same as here. It is an ID. This means it have been posted. Now let me show you what we got. So this is what we got for the first website. It's gonna save this in draft. I don't want it to put it online automatically. I need to edit it. Okay. The other website. As you can see, this is my French website. This is another English website. You can see it here. This is my article. I can convert it. I got my Yoast keyword here. I got everything. I got the URL. I got the meta description. Everything is in here. I'm gonna show you the picture. This is the picture I just uploaded, which is very nice. I'm happy with this program. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.